Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF pro tip, I'm going to go over one of the best things that I've recently discovered while installing paint protection film, and that is using just warm water for my Tack Solution. Now, for the last number of years, up until recently, I was always using 90% isopropyl alcohol mixed with water for my Tack Solution. I had a guy in the comments section of one of my previous videos, they had said, why are you not using just hot water? And I tried that out, and I gotta say I love it. And it's cheaper. Who doesn't want to save a little bit of money, especially those of you who are running an installation shop? If you can cut down on how much isopropyl alcohol you are spending money on, that's gonna be huge. So differences between the two, obviously they both do the same thing, and that's you get rid of the slip solution when you're using the tack, and it's going to help you to bond that film to the surface a lot better. So right now all I'm doing is I'm just going to my water cooler and I'm just filling the bottle up with as hot a water as I can get out of the water cooler. It's still distilled water, so if you can get distilled water or any kind of treated water and you can get it really hot, that's the route that I would go. Previously what I was doing was I was filling up the bottom 25-30% of these tack bottles with the 90% isopropyl alcohol, and I was just filling water on top of that and mixing it around. And I knew my ratio was pretty good, and I was never having any issues with that. But the problem with doing with alcohol is the alcohol is actually pretty hard on the adhesive, and it softens it up quite a bit, whereas the hot water, it's not nearly as hard on the adhesive of the film. Starting to get a little bit tongue-tied here. But that being said, I know in the past if I ever mixed the Tack Solution stronger than 30, 32, 33%, when I would spray my Tack Solution underneath the film, it would actually burn the adhesive and it would start to look very cloudy. And once that happens, the film's done. You have to replace that panel. So if you guys are installing film and you guys want to save some money and have a better experience with Tack Solution, just use warm water right out of your water cooler or your tap if you've got a water filtration system. So it's worked really good for me. My installations, I think, are much better right now and saved me a lot of money. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content.